Hi everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make a synthwave bass. We will be using Arturia Pigments 2 inside a Reason 10, but this is practically applicable to any DAW that can host plugins. First, I'll set up a quick drum groove, something 4 to the floor house style. I'm using Kong and Reason's drum sequencer player, but this is simple to do in any DAW. If you want sidechaining, make sure to route a copy of the kick. I'm using the auxiliary send to the sidechain channel. Activate the compressor on the sidechain channel to make it pump. Route the bass, and if you're making a full song, any synth or ambient elements through the sidechain. Then I am programming the bassline MIDI using the polystep player, but you can use piano roll in any DAW. Repeating 16th note or octave patterns work the best. Create a new preset in Arturia Pigments, use virtual analog. Tune the chorus knob down 1 octave. The first oscillator should be a saw wave. I decided later to leave this at the same pitch as the main pitch, as it sounds better once modulation and filtering are applied. Third oscillator should modulate the first 2 via FM, it should also be a triangle wave. The second oscillator should be a triangle wave tuned down 1 octave. Turn on unison at a low detune level. Turn on filter cutoff, boost the resonance and turn up the keyboard tracking knob to full. Add an envelope to the filter. Add effects such as compression, distortion, chorus and reverb. Use the send channel for the reverb and turn up the send knob on the synth panel for a slight reverb. None of these effects need to be super extreme, just adding a bit more character to the sound. We'll add extra effects doctrine later, but it's not super important to this exact sound, so experiment with this yourself. Experiment with the envelope on the filter. We will be controlling the change of this with one of the functions. Adding slight change to the attack and release over time makes the sound evolve. Set function 1 to control the attack and release of the envelope controlling the filter. Slow down the rate at which it occurs and set the play mode to run to make this a constantly occurring modulation over time. And add a rise and fall over time to the function graph. Use slight values to get an evolving sound. Apply the function to the wet dry of the chorus and drive the distortion both in slight quantities. I apply a soft tube saturation knob as a post-effects plugin for grit. It's a free VST and also a free rack extension for Reason. Add a second low pass filter and control the cutoff with the function for a more evolving sound over time. Add slight unison variations with the function to create a slight evolution in the detune amount over time. And that's basically it for this sound. I'll add a link in the description if you are interested in testing the sound yourself and reverse engineering it. Cheers and have a nice day.